In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record personal expenses in QuickBooks Online. Knowing how to track your personal expenses accurately is crucial for maintaining a clear financial picture, even within a business accounting environment. Let's dive right into the process. First, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. What we're looking for is the Transactions tab. Give that a click, and you'll see a few options pop up. We want to focus on bank transactions. This is where QuickBooks pulls in data from your linked bank accounts, making it easier to capture everything you spend. Once you're in the Bank Transactions section, you'll notice a list of various transactions. Scroll through and select the specific personal expense transaction that you need to record. It's important to pick out the right one so that all your records stay accurate and error-free. Now that you have your transaction selected, it's time to go a bit deeper. Click on the transaction itself, and this will open up a more detailed view. Here, you need to select the payee. Essentially, this is just noting who or what the transaction was for. Make sure to choose the correct recipient, as this helps keep the records clean and clear. The next step involves categorizing the transaction. Take a moment to locate the category field. If you haven't set up a category specifically for personal expenses, this is a good time to do so. Having a dedicated category will help segregate your personal expenses from your business-related ones, providing clarity in your financial reports. Simply click to create a new category if needed, and give it a straightforward name like Personal Expenses for easy identification in future reviews. After setting the category, there's just one more thing to do. You guessed it, it's time to hit Add. By doing this, you're ensuring that QuickBooks records your transaction accurately under the appropriate section. A quick click, and voila! Your personal expense is officially recorded in QuickBooks Online. And that's it. You've just learned how to record personal expenses using QuickBooks Online. It's a simple process, but one that makes a significant difference in managing and organizing your finances effectively. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or merely brushing up on your skills, mastering this process can make your financial oversight smoother and allow you to track expenses with greater precision. Thanks for watching, and I'm glad we could take this step toward better financial management together. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more practical tips on using QuickBooks effectively.